It's been 1 week since our last visit to this vending machine, and this is kind of a slower location around this time of the year, so let's see how much money it's brought in. And just like last time, I'm gonna have the totals on the screen. Another decent collection. Now let's go and get all the old expired products out and get the new products in. Now that we had the machine stocked up, let's go and print out some new price labels for the products. We almost had this vending machine ready to go, but we can't leave without testing that the prices are set. So let's go ahead and check that the prices are set for the new products, and once that's done, we'll get out of here. This machine is now ready to operate for another week.